are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Learn English with Hanan. I know it's been a very long time. I didn't post any video, but that's all because of very difficult circumstances I went through. But I promise you, next days I'm going to post so many videos as much as I can. So today's lesson is about how to say sorry in a professional, formal, or business environment. Saying sorry in these situations is not the only way to convey remorse. In other words, to express deep regret in the office or at your workplace in general. That's why there are so many ways to say sorry in English to help you make amends with your co-workers, directors, and supervisors, which means doing something to correct a mistake that one has made. And now let's see all the ways to say sorry in these kind of situations. So let's get started. I want to, or I sincerely apologize. This is a formal and polite way to say you're sorry. I'd like to apologize for how I reacted or how I behaved. This is a way to apologize in a formal manner or for something very serious. I owe you an apology. This is a way to apologize for something serious. Ever so sorry. And this is another way to apologize for something serious. Sorry for the inconvenience caused. So, this can be used if whatever you did caused an unpleasant situation or badly impacted someone. Sorry for the late reply. If you're replying late to an email, you can apologize for it using this phrase. Please forgive the length delay. This can be used if you sent a report after the deadline. I apologize for the confusion. If your actions somehow made someone feel confused, use this expression to apologize for it. I'm sorry to bother you. Use this if you need to interrupt someone or ask for a favor. Sorry, I couldn't attend the meeting. If you missed an appointment, you can apologize for it with this simple phrase. Okay guys, that's all what we have for today. I hope that you have enjoyed today's lesson and you've learned all the possible ways to say sorry in a professional, formal, or business environment. So, see you next time with other ways to say sorry, but with another situation. Till then, brace yourself for the next lesson and don't forget to revise all the previous ones. And don't forget also to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell to get all my updates. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.